Ooh. Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having over here about the tech that you love. These are the JLab Rewind Wireless Retro Headphones. Did you catch all that? Full disclosure, JLab is one of the brands that the company I work for does distribute. I want to let you guys know that first before we kind of get into this. So, do these look familiar to you? I guess depending on your age bracket, these might look familiar to you. These are wireless, well, Bluetooth headphones from JLab, and they have that retro feel and look. If you're familiar with the Sony Walkman headphones from back in the 80s and 90s there, these will look very familiar. In addition, you may have seen Star-Lord from the Guardians of the Galaxy wearing very similar headphones. So what is it about these? Well, let me just say this up front. I don't do a lot of headphones or a lot of audio reviews, and the reason for that is I feel like audio is one of those really subjective things. What sounds good to me may sound bad to you. What I think sounds like great bass may be crappy to you. So I kind of avoid doing these kind of things. Plus, I don't use a lot of headphones. I don't have a lot of headphones in my supply here. I have basically some earbuds that I use for when I'm on the airplane, and that's about it. I don't really like the closed muff, style that kind of closes you off from the world and everything like that. I know a lot of people are into that. It's just not my thing. But when I saw these back in May at my sales summit for the company I work for, I was like, dang, these are cool, right? I actually tweeted out to a bunch of you guys saying, hey, should I do a review on this? And the feedback I got from a bunch of you was definitely positive. So let's talk about these right here and some of the features that you're gonna get in these. First and foremost, the Rewind Wireless Retro Headphones come in this very simple packaging here from JLab. Nothing crazy about it. You're gonna get a micro USB for charging, and they actually come with black earmuffs pre-installed, and then the orange ones are on the outside showing through this window here. You just got to basically peel off the black ones and put these orange ones on if you want to go for that retro look. JLab is claiming about 12 hours worth of playback. In my personal testing, I'm getting about 9.5, 10 hours, but I am listening to the volume on a mid to high end, usually at the max volume there because I like my music loud and pumping, so I imagine that's probably killing the battery a lot faster. As well, it uses a very simple one button design here. I mean, you basically hold it down to turn on in a pair, hold it down to turn it off. A triple tap will basically put you through the different sound modes. So there's a flat design, there's an increased bass, there's a decreased bass with a high treble, and that's basically it. They're very simple, they're very comfortable, they have that metal band along the top here, and no, if you were familiar with the back in the day, these will not grab your hair and tug on them. Trust me, I remember that. So, super comfortable. Actually, I'll leave a link for you guys down below so you can check them out for yourself. So in the end, would I recommend the JLab Rewind Retro Wireless Headphones? Absolutely. They come at a great cost, they sound good, they're comfortable, they got that throwback feel and retro vintage look, and yeah, they will definitely spark a conversation with people that see you wearing these. I just need to find my Walkman now. Anyway, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this content. If you had, give it a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.